जो मेकअप लेके हम 12 घंटा 15 घंटा कभी कभार such a long time you wear makeup, mascara, hair sprays. Yes, it definitely affects your skin. I'm endorsing for the clinic, and they specialize on skin, smile, everything. So I'm endorsing for the skin section, skin, smile treatment. अभी मैं इतने सारे डॉक्टर्स के साथ बात कर रही थी कि इंडिया में इतने सारे सैलून्स है, वी गो टू पार्लर्स एंड विदाउट नोइंग एनीवन blindly we trust people and leave our faces and basically experiment with treatments. But here the what they specialize on is everything is done by doctors, and lasers from your skin treatments and peels, everything that happens probably everywhere, but here you have many doctors to take care of your skin and teeth, and that's exactly what all the doctors said right now कि अगर आपको hair के लिए अगर आपको treatment मिलता है, आप एक डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो तो skin और smile के लिए क्यों नहीं? So I think yes, today's time everyone is very conscious. So they must visit this clinic because you get doctors to treat you. जब मैं सुपर मॉडल कॉन्टेस्ट जीती थी, आपको पता होगा जब मिस इंडिया या तो कोई भी ब्यूटी पैजेंट में आप हिस्सा लेते हैं, बिफोर यू रिप्रेजेंट योर कंट्री, one thing they always send you for that is perfect smile, and I think वो बहुत ही एक natural expression है जो enhance करना जरूरी है. So I think I never had to do cosmetic teeth, but yes, to take care of your gum and teeth you go for cleaning, and that's all. I think everyone does, so even I do it. मुझे सन टैन लेना बहुत पसंद है. I love dark skin, and that's why I have to take care of my skin, क्योंकि वो स्किन के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. और इंडिया में वो फैसिलिटीज भी नहीं है हमारे पास जो टैनिंग क्यूब्स आपको मिलता है, मशीन्स मिलता है जो इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है. व्हेन आई ट्रैवल देन आई गो टू सच salons, but in India I love swimming, I love tanning, so yes, when I tan I do take care of my skin post tanning. फिलहाल तो मैं LA से आई हूँ 2 फिल्म शूट करके. Hopefully by April you'll see one. And I had to train there for 6 months. That industry is not that easy. Like I would say, India is very friendly country and extremely generous and kind. We invite people from all over the world. They become stars here. They become successful here. They win awards, earn a lot of money. But it doesn't happen to Indians when they go to different countries. So yes, it was like a test. I had to train for almost 6-7 months, stay there and become a student and start afresh. New industry, big industry, tough. So yes, I'm happy. Hopefully by April you'll see one. So right now in Jan end I'll go back and finish my second project called Dark Romance. By March I'll be back, then probably here.